स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द क्लास। आज हम टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। टोटली 7 टाइप्स है। वन बाय वन स्टडी करेंगे आज। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन, रो मैट्रिक्स। फर्स्ट टाइप है ये रो मैट्रिक्स। राइट, a matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. ओके, इस रो मैट्रिक्स में कितने रो रहना? एक ही रो रहना। से द एग्जाम्पल, ओके, एग्जाम्पल A is equals to the matrix 2 4 6. Okay, see what is the definition? A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. एक ही रो रहना, कॉलम कितना रहे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन डेफिनेशन में क्या है? सिर्फ एक ही रो रहना। तो फर्स्ट काउंट करें यहाँ पे कितने रो हैं? ओनली वन रो। एंड कॉलम कितना है टोटल? 1 2 3, 3 कॉलम्स। ओके, सो वन रो 3 कॉलम्स कॉल्ड एज अ रो मैट्रिक्स। याद रखिए सिर्फ एक ही रो रहना यहाँ पे। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ए रो है, ए सेकेंड का कॉलम है। ओके, सो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखिए, b इज इक्वल्स टू, लेट अस कंसिडर द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल। b इज इक्वल्स टू सी 1 3 5 6 7। काउंट करें यहाँ पे कितना रो है? सी वन रो, सी आई रिटर्न द वन रो इनटू कॉलम कितना है देखिए 1 2 3 4 5। ओके, टोटल 5 कॉलम्स, 1 2 3 4 5 कॉलम्स। सो वन रो 5 कॉलम्स। डेफिनेशन में क्या है? सिर्फ एक ही रो रहना। दैट टाइप ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड एज अ रो मैट्रिक्स। अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, come to the second type, column matrix. column matrix, column matrix। ओके, वन रो रहे तो क्या कहते हैं हम? रो मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं। अगर वन कॉलम रहे तो कॉलम मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं। ओके, सी द डेफिनेशन। ए मैट्रिक्स इज said to be column matrix if it has only one column. Only one column is called column matrix. So the example here, example A is equals to, let us consider the matrix here 2 3 6. Now count the row and column. First we have to counting the rows. So first one row, 2 row, 3 rows. So 3 rows. column कितना है देखो? सिर्फ एक ही कॉलम है। ओके, so this is a column, so only one column. If it is a one column is called as a column matrix. रो कितना रहे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन कॉलम सिर्फ एक ही रहना, that is called as a column matrix. See another example, B is equals to matrix, it contains element 4. See, count the row and column. See, only one row and one column. Okay, so one row and one column called as a column matrix. column कितना है यहाँ पे? सिर्फ एक ही column है। रो कितना रहे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन column सिर्फ एक ही रहना, याद रखिएगा। Okay, so this is called as a column matrix. Okay, type number 3, third one, square matrix. Square matrix. Okay, see the definition. What is the meaning of square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows are equal to number of columns is said to be a square matrix and m cross n is equal to n cross m. This implies m is equals to n. Okay, see, what is the definition of the square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows are equal to number of columns. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, रो नंबर ऑफ रोज आर इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम. कितने रहे उतना ही कॉलम रहना है यहाँ पे. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. ओके, सी द एग्जाम्पल हियर. एग्जाम्पल, I will consider one matrix A is equals to, here I will take 1 2 3. This is the first row and the second row is 5 6 3 9 2 1 or 0. Okay, see, now count the rows. First you have to count the row. So 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. So 3 rows into column 1 2 3. So 3 columns. So here m cross n is equal to n cross m. So basically we know this m cross n is the order of the matrix. So here m means rows, n means columns. So here number of rows is equal to number of columns. So therefore this type of matrix is called as a square matrix. Okay, let us take another example. B is equals to, if I consider 3 1 2 8. Now count the rows and columns. So this is a 1 row and a 2 rows. So 2 rows into 1 2 2 columns, 2 rows and 2 columns. This is indicate the row, this indicate the column, this indicate the row, this indicate the column. So this type of matrix is called as a square matrix. Another one example, C is equals to, if I consider element 5, count the row and column. See, only 1 row and 1 column, so 1 cross 1. This is also called as a square matrix. Remember, in the square matrix, number of rows equal to number of columns. This type of matrix is called as a square matrix. Understand? Okay, come to the fourth one. Type number 4, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. We know that diagonal means what? Okay, in the right angle triangle, definition of the diagonal matrix: a square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all of its non-diagonal elements are 0. See, definition में क्या है? A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix. First diagonal matrix कैसे रहना? Square matrix रहना वो. बाद में if all of its non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal means, okay, so see the example here. Example, A is equals to, okay, A is equals to, I will take here 2 0 0 and 0 5 0 and 0 0 3. Okay, see here, what is a diagonal means what? So this is called as a diagonal. Okay, so these 3 element 2 5 3 is called as a diagonal element. These element called as a diagonal element, and remaining all are element. So 0 0 0 0 0, this is a non-diagonal elements. Okay, so this is a diagonal. We know in the right angle triangle, so in the right angle triangle, so this is a diagonal. Okay, hypotenuse side or diagonal side. Okay, so here also this is a diagonal. So diagonal elements are not equal to 0. but non-diagonal element, remember the statement, non-diagonal elements are 0. This is a non-diagonal element, 0 0 0. These all are element called as a non-diagonal elements. Okay, first of all, this diagonal matrix must and should be, it is a square matrix, and after that all the non-diagonal elements are 0. This type of matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. Okay, see another example here. If I consider b is equals to, दूसरा एग्जाम्पल ये तो b इज इक्वल्स टू, मैं लिखा यहाँ पे 2 0 and 0 3, and tell me the diagonal element. So 2 and 3 called as a diagonal element. Okay, 2 and 3 is called as a diagonal element, diagonal element. Remaining all are the non-diagonal element. Non-diagonal element must and should be is equal to 0, and diagonal elements are not equal to 0. Remember the statement. Okay, come to the type number 5, that is a scalar matrix. Definition of the scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix with all its diagonal elements are equal. So scalar matrix में फर्स्ट कैसा रहना, ये diagonal matrix रहना है, बाद में all its diagonal elements are equal. So यहाँ पे diagonal element अलग अलग थे, यहाँ पे diagonal element are different, but in this scalar matrix में diagonal elements are equal रहना. So definition, we see the example here. A is equal to 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Here this diagonal elements are equal. All the diagonal elements are equal to 4, and the non-diagonal elements are is equal to 0. Okay, so this is called as a scalar matrix. इस मैट्रिक्स में आपको सिर्फ दो बात याद रखना, ये डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स है क्या नहीं चेक करना, बाद में डायगोनल एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू 4 है क्या नहीं देखना, मीन्स डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल है क्या नहीं वो चेक करना. ओके, बाद में रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट जो भी है वो इज इक्वल टू 0 में रहना. ओके, दिस इज अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ द स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. अनदर एग्जांपल, इफ आई कंसिडर b is equals to 2 0 0 2. See here, diagonal elements are not equal to 0 and equal here. Okay, so diagonal elements are equal. Okay, all the diagonal elements are equal here, and non-diagonal elements are 0. This type of matrix is called as a scalar matrix. So what is the order of this one is 3 cross 3, means it is a square matrix, and this is a 2 cross 2. This is also square matrix. So square matrix रहना and diagonal matrix भी रहना. बाद में डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स में जो नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट है सेम यहाँ पे भी नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट ही रहना. बाद में जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट है, डायगोनल एलिमेंट यहाँ पे इक्वल रहना, लेकिन डायगोनल एलिमेंट में इक्वल नहीं रहे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में कंपलसरी डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल कंपलसरी रहना हो. ओके, सो दिस इज अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. कम टू द सिक्स्थ वन, type number 6, identity matrix. Identity matrix. Okay, so definition of identity matrix. Identity matrix is a diagonal matrix with all its diagonal elements are equal to 1. So identity matrix बोले तो कैसा रहना, is a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix रहना, diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are not equal to 0. यहाँ पे कैसा है, diagonal matrix भी रहना with all its diagonal elements are equal to 1. सिर्फ diagonal element is equal to 1 रहना, बाकी का element जो भी है वो equal to 0 रहना. See the example here. Okay, so example, it is denoted by I, capital I. Okay, it is denoted by capital I. So example, capital I is equals to definition 1 0 0. According to the definition 0 1 0 0 0 1. So see, the diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. This type of matrix is called as a identity matrix. It is denoted by I. This is a order is 3 cross 3. Okay. So take another example. I will consider I is equals to 1 0 0 1. Okay. So here diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. This type of matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. What is the out of this one is 2 cross 2. Okay. So this is the identity matrix. Okay. See the next type number 7, zero matrix. See the definition of the zero matrix. A matrix is said to be zero or null matrix if its elements are zero. It is denoted by zero. Okay. So zero matrix means a matrix is said to be a zero matrix or null matrix. This matrix is also called as a null matrix. Okay. Null matrix. Okay. It is denoted by O. It means यहाँ पे जितने भी एलिमेंट है मैट्रिक्स में ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. ऑल एलिमेंट्स कैसे रहना, ज़ीरो रहना. सो 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So I'll taken here the A. So 0 is equal to all elements are equal to 0. Okay. So very simple definition. Another one example, 0 is equals to. Okay. So 0 0 0 0. All elements are equal to 0. This type of matrix is called as a zero matrix. Okay. So in this types of the matrix, the very important definition is first square matrix definition, square matrix, and second one is there diagonal matrix definition. Third one is scalar matrix definition are very important for the exam purpose. एग्ज़ाम में 1 मार्क्स के लिए कंपलसरी इसमें से ही एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. अगर नहीं पूछे तो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में जो भी एग्जाम्पल्स रहेगा उसके बारे में वहाँ पे पूछा जाएगा. लेकिन दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम पर्पस. 3 डेफिनेशन, स्क्वायर, डायगोनल एंड स्केलर. Okay, next definition, equal matrix. So equal matrix means what? See, two matrices are equal if they are of the same order and their corresponding elements are equal. So two matrices equal if their order is same and corresponding elements are equal. मालूम हुआ? तो very simple definition है. See the example, if I consider A is equals to 2 4 and 6 8. Okay, so another matrix B is equals to same 2 4 6 8. See here, first check the order. What is the order of this one? 1 row, 2 rows and column 1 2 columns. And come to here, second one, check the row, 1 row, 2 cross, column 1 2 columns. So order is same. And corresponding element means 2 is equals to 2, 4 is equals to 4, and 6 is equals to 6, 8 is equals to 8. So this is a corresponding element. If order is equal and corresponding elements are equal, hence this type of matrix is called as a equal matrix. See another example. This is the first one, and come to the second one. Okay, so A is equals to, if I consider 1 0 3 8 4 6 7 2 9. Okay, so B is equals to 1 0 3 and 8 4 6 7 2 9. See what is the order of this one? 1 2 3 rows, column कितना है? 1 2 3 columns. And here 1 2 3 3 rows and column कितना है 1 2 3 3 column. So order is equal and see the corresponding element. 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so 0 is equal to 0, 3 is equals to 3, next 8 is equals to 8, 4 is equals to 4. हर एक एलिमेंट चेक करें इज इक्वल टू ही है. सो 7 is equal to 7, 2 is equals to 2, 9 is equal to 9. It means all the elements, corresponding elements are equal. Hence this type of matrices is called as a equal matrices. Okay, order and corresponding element चेक करना. अगर दोनों इक्वल है तो इक्वल मैट्रिक्स. ओके, and here A is equals to B, matrix A is equal to B, so called as a equal matrix. And here also A is equals to B, so two matrices are equal here when corresponding elements are equal and order is same. Okay, so this is a equal matrix. So here all the definitions are over and the equal matrix definition is also over. Next class we will discuss about the exercise number 3.1. okay, see you in the next class.